Bonjour tout le monde, I'm Cassie, your French tutor, so you can learn French the French way. And today I want to give you a few recommendations when it comes to series in French. Sometimes you want to watch series, you want to watch movies in French, and that's the best idea ever to train your ear. Though it may not be that accessible for beginners, and today my recommendations are only beginner friendly. Dans la dernière vidéo, je t'ai recommandé des films. Si tu l'as pas vu, c'est par là. Donc t'es prêt? On y va. So the first one I'm recommending, I'm absolutely sure you know it because it is a Netflix show that was very popular even outside of France. It is Lupin. Lupin dans l'ombre d'Arsène with Omar Sy, who is a very likable actor. Love him. And I recommend this series because it is quite easy to follow. You may not understand everything, but in general, it is quite easy or at least accessible. It's still challenging, but accessible. But one thing I really like is that in that show, Omar Sy articulates a lot. So it's quite easy to understand, or at least catch the main ideas of his sentences. So for you, especially as a beginner, it makes it easier because it is real French, but with good articulation.
J'aimerais beaucoup vous aider, mais j'ai peur que vous perdiez votre temps.
Bon, c'est quoi le plan maintenant?
Okay, another series, I'm not following it personally, but that was big on television when I was living in France. Maybe it still is, I don't know, though it's still running. And very easy to find on YouTube. It is Scènes de ménage. They are very short scenes from everyday life of different couples from different generations. So you see the routine, really how life is going for them. But that means the vocabulary they use is also extremely useful in your everyday life. The scenes are quite funny, the characters are quite likable, so I would recommend it. And again, very easy to find on YouTube.
Oh non, c'est pas vrai.
Bah si,
Écoute, c'est lourd. Mais Capricorne, vous allez trop vite. Ralentissez.
And the last one. This one, it is quite old, let's be honest, but iconic. So it is Il était une fois, and then the topic. What does it mean? Il était une fois is like once upon a time, but then they talk about history. Il était une fois l'homme. They talk about the human body, biology. Il était une fois la vie, for example. You have plenty like that. Il était une fois les découvreurs. Il était une fois la Terre. Plenty of topics. This series is made of cartoon. It is an animated series. It has been made for children, clearly. And it's extremely interesting, easy to find on YouTube. I checked for you. And they are French subtitles. So the YouTube channel is Hello Maestro. Maestro is the... yeah, French accent, you know. Maestro is the old, wise character, kind of the main character, the one explaining things in that series. So I will put the link in the description so you can find it easily. But I do recommend it. It is extremely interesting. You learn new things other than just learning French, and it's extremely accessible. Hello Maestro, Il était une fois, whatever. It is originally French, but the production was also from actually plenty of different countries in Europe. So it is a co-production. Mainly French, they led the project, but they had help from other studios all around the continent.
Le soleil chauffe peu ces temps derniers. Les oiseaux s'éloignent et les animaux se tiennent à distance.
That's it for today. I hope you're gonna love this series. I'm sure you will enjoy them, but that will be a great practice for you. So if you like them, tell me in the comments or with a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Salut!